My name is Scott Chiri, and I work in the streets department for the city of Johnston. I've been with the city for 11 years now. Joining this team has allowed me the opportunity to be involved in many different aspects of construction and equipment operation, which I truly enjoy. One of my proudest achievements has been attaining a bachelor's degree in public administration while working for the city. Working full-time and going to school in the evenings wasn't easy, but I did it because I want to advance my career with the city. Here in Johnston, we have 106 miles of streets and 234 lane miles in total. Our department handles all aspects related to the streets residents travel on every day, including patching, repairs, sweeping streets, and snow removal. I enjoy my job. Being able to have satisfaction driving on the streets I am in charge of is gratifying. My name is Scott Chiri, and I'm proud of the job I do each day and the difference I make in this community.